Ever wondered if shortcuts through the universe actually exist? Enter wormholes, nature's cosmic cheat codes. These fascinating phenomena have captured the imagination of scientists and sci-fi enthusiasts alike. Imagine two faraway points in space. These points could be light years apart, separated by vast distances that would take eons to traverse using conventional means. But what if we fold it? Voila! By folding space, we create a shortcut, a bridge that connects two distant points directly. A wormhole lets you jump from one side of the universe to the other faster than light. Well, theoretically. This concept, though mind-boggling, is rooted in the equations of Einstein's theory of general relativity. Subscribe for more mind-bending facts. Cosmos, cracked open. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the universe with us.